Welcome back, everybody. Just a short one today. A little bit of a mail call. So I got this in the mail. And I don't know what it is exactly because I ordered two things. And they could both be in here. But let's find out. I hope you're having a good day. I did manage to take some time and go down to my apple trees and with one hand, shavings, I managed to prune, for the most part, 3 of the 4 apple trees I have. Pick list. Is it one item? It says 1 parcel, 2 items. Tally ho. So the one item I bought on speculation that one day, soon I hope, I will get back into building things. And so, see, I should teach a course. Maybe that would be a video. Because I'm an expert packer. I've been packing things nearly all my life. And I've learned what works and what doesn't work. And the one thing you don't do is you don't use tape on bubble wrap unless you have to. What I use is shrink wrap so that you can just unwind it and everything comes apart nicey. So what I have here are 2 items. This one was my curiosity. This one is a ECE 1 3/4 inch. So does it have millimeters on here? It does not. But this is a blade set. ECE. Auf Deutschland, Germany. And it's in a hermetically sealed package, so I'm not going to take it out, but I will sort of move it around a little to show you why I bought it. See the chip breaker? That's a beauty. And it wasn't all that expensive. With shipping, if you divide the shipping up between the two, this was $30. So it's blade, cap iron, chip breaker with screw, and this is their old style for planes that did not have the fancy mechanisms. So that's a keeper. We'll make a plane around that, build a plane around that. Now this here is all in Japanese. So I will either have to look up this item and see if there's old English instructions. On the pick list, It calls it a Kakuri Sangyo home sharpening device. Now, this is interesting. There is what appears to be 2 wing screws, set screws. One is a more modern one. One is the original. Don't know why there's 2, but there is 2. So, you ever see a video where they're making plane blades? And I'm going to use this. Yeah, I can use this piece of wood as demonstration. And I'm not sure how this works. I think it must be like this. So it will hold a plane blade or a chisel, and you can take it 2 hands. Well, for people with 2 hands. And pushing down here, you can sharpen to whatever angle you set it. It has a roller. It doesn't roll very well. I'll probably take that apart and oil it. And I will look up as to how these are used. But the nice, interesting thing about this is you can do skewed blades with it or square. The more protrusion in the front, the lower the angle. Now there isn't a space to put it up against an edge. Not really. No, there is no edge to put it up against to square it. So it's a semi-freehand. That's interesting. That's interesting. And that might be a good piece of wood to take to a piece of sandpaper and test it all out. If you want to look it up, here's the numbers. KKR. Now put it, you take a snapshot of the screen. There you go. KKR number 363276 or number 475563. And I'm going to be looking this up because this has some potential for when you are starting on coarse grit to establish your bevel. This is only $15. I'm sure it costs a lot more to buy. Made in Japan. So there you go, everybody. That's my mail call. And as I said, I hope and trust you're having a good day. and that the weather is decent by you. There we go. Thanks for stopping by. It means a lot to me. Like, subscribe, and share. You have a great day. Walter out.